How to add bonus account in OneXBet app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXBet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to add bonus accounts, you first need to add the promo code while creating your account. In the beginning, when you are signing up for your new account, you have the option to put promo code if you have any. So if you sign up for your account using the promo code, then only you can get the bonus accounts. If you have done so, at the home screen, you can see this menu option. Tap on it. Once you are in your menu page, you can see your balance option over here. Tap on this drop down list. Over here, you will see the list of accounts that you have. You are currently in your main account. If you have the bonus account, it will also show up over here. So whenever you want, you can switch to your bonus account from here. If you have the balance in your bonus account, you can spend and utilize accordingly. So that's it. That's how we can easily add bonus account in OneXBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.